Look closely at Shiv's Damaru. It is not just a drum. It is woven with threads or cords on either side, gradually getting denser and tighter as they approach the center. That central pinch, the narrowest point, is where all the tension, all the vibration, all the potential energy converges. This design is not random. In modern astrophysics, the image of a singularity, like what's found inside a black hole, shows similar structure like matter spirals inward, space-time curves more sharply, and energy becomes infinitely dense at a single point. That is the center of the Damaru, the Bindu, the point of collapse and birth. And just as in this NASA image, where jets of plasma shoot out from a collapsing core, the Damaru too emits vibration that is the sound of creation.